Self-awareness. Understand your strengths, weaknesses, and emotions. Resilience. Learn to bounce back from failures and setbacks. Gratitude. Appreciate what you have and be thankful for it. Empathy. Understand and share the feelings of others. Communication. Express yourself clearly and listen actively. Goal setting. Set clear, achievable goals and work towards them. Time management. Learn to prioritize tasks and manage your time effectively. Financial literacy. Understand the basics of money management and saving. Health. Take care of your physical and mental well-being. Problem solving. Approach problems with a positive attitude and seek solutions. Adaptability. Be open to change and willing to adjust to new circumstances. Responsibility. Take ownership of your actions and their consequences. Self-confidence. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Respect. Treat others with respect and expect the same in return. Forgiveness. Learn to forgive others and yourself for mistakes. Learning. Never stop learning and seek knowledge in various areas. Creativity. Embrace your creativity and explore new ideas. Independence. Learn to be self-reliant and make your own decisions. Friendship. Cultivate meaningful relationships and be a good friend. Mindfulness. Be present in the moment and aware of your thoughts and feelings. Humility. Stay humble and learn from others, regardless of their status. Optimism. Maintain a positive outlook on life and believe in a brighter future. Perseverance. Keep going even when things get tough. Boundaries. Set healthy boundaries in your relationships and life. Environmental awareness. Understand the impact of your actions on the environment. Digital literacy. Use technology responsibly and be aware of online risks. Civic engagement. Participate in your community and be a responsible citizen. Balance. Strive for a balance between work, leisure, and responsibilities. Authenticity. Be true to yourself and live according to your values. Love. Cultivate love and compassion towards yourself and others.